Middle 60s outside this morning, and temperatures are likely going to fall off a few more degrees between now and sunrise as we've got this north wind in place about 10 miles per hour, and the dew point is also. Skies are clear right now. Temperatures are in the mid 60s for the most part. You get closer to the coast and temperatures are near 70 there. We did have some cloud coverage overnight, but that's now starting to move to the south of the area. That's what's been keeping the temperatures a little bit milder than what was forecast, but with those clouds now moving south, temperatures will dive down again into the low 60s here between now and sunrise. You see the wind uniform out of the north between about 6 and 12 miles per hour. A little breezier in Flower Bluff, 17 sustained there. The winds are bringing the dew points down. That's the sign that the humidity levels are going to be very low. It's going to be some of the driest feeling air we have felt in 5 months or so here. So it's going to be nice feeling outside today because of that, and this is all thanks to the cold front that moved through yesterday morning. That front is now moving off to the east and in the Gulf of Mexico, and that front will continue to move to the east over the next few days as we sit under beautiful weather conditions here throughout all of Texas. See how dry, sun-filled skies it's going to be here through Thursday. And then into the weekend, we stay quiet, but I'm going to move the map now down to the Western Caribbean. That front will be stalled, the same one that moved through here yesterday. On Saturday, it'll be stalled in the south parts of Florida, near the Straits of Florida and the Western Caribbean. And it does look like some of the weather guidance is wanting to develop something in this Western Caribbean Sea over the weekend. So we're going to have to pay attention to how that develops. While I don't think it's a threat at this point, anything in the Western Caribbean and potentially in the Gulf of Mexico is something that we need to be vigilant on. And that's the area that the Hurricane Center is saying a 50% chance for development over the next 5 days. And I think it's going to be more so into the weekend if something can develop there. So we'll keep our eyes on that. But again, it's not something I don't think we got to be worrying about. We're going to actually have just really nice weather heading into the remainder of September and early October. We'll be in the low 60s this morning, topping out in the mid 80s this afternoon. Sunny skies, low humidity, a north breeze 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, I think we get into the 50s. It'll be very calm. The winds are going to drop off. The air is going to be dry. Skies will be clear. And all of that should allow the temperatures to get into the 50s, which would be the first time since May the 1st of this year, barring a little drop into the 50s this morning. I don't think we're quite going to get there this morning, but by Wednesday afternoon, again, mid to upper 80s in the forecast. Muggy meter is going to show dry, if not comfortable levels of humidity through Thursday. Today is going to be a full-on sunny delight, mild, low humidity, 84 in this afternoon, and a north wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, with the 3 Cs in place, clear, calm, and cool, I do think temperatures have a good shot at getting into the upper 50s overnight. Now, we will be a little warmer Wednesday and Thursday, mid to upper 80s. A reinforcing front comes in Friday, but that's not going to be strong. What that one will do is just maintain the humidity levels staying low and temperatures in the mid to upper 80s as we head into the weekend.